Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today it's time for me to finally announce the 750,000 subscriber slash 800,000 subscriber celebratory giveaway event. This event will take place this Friday. It's a live stream this Friday, January 16th at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. Do not rely on YouTube to send you a notification for this. If you rely on YouTube, they will fail you. You will miss the stream. Mark this down in your phone, set an alarm. This Friday, January 16th at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time, I'm going to be giving away an absolutely ridiculous amount of prizes. And we're going to go over all of these. I'm going to show you guys what you're going to be able to win. You do not need to be a patron. You do not need to be a paying member of my channel. You don't even need to be subscribed to enter this event. All you need to do is show up live to the event. It will be a live participation event, meaning you will not be able to enter this event outside of the event itself. You can't like comment under this video and assume that you're entered for it. The link for entry will be private to the event. And this is to make sure that the winners are actually there live and able to be verified in front of everybody during the live event. I like that. It also makes for the event to be very community oriented. Everybody's there having a good time. When I've done this in the past, it was enormous. It was such a good time. This is going to be a stream where we don't give away all the prizes at the end. No. In fact, we'll be giving away prizes throughout the stream, which is very chaotic and insane, and it's a little difficult to manage, but it is fun. And so to people who watch my regular streams, sometimes you pop in, then you leave for a bit, and then you go to the end. And that's fine. The population typically builds. This is not going to be a stream like that. It's going to be the same thing. Live participation will be required. You'll have to actually be there when your name is drawn. And if your name is drawn and you're there, great. Then you get, the confirmation there. If your name is drawn and you're not there and we cannot verify you right then and there in the moment, then we will move on to the next person. So I want to be very, very clear about this. You must be live. You must be present and able to communicate and chat in order to, to actually claim your prize. And again, the entry will be included in the live stream. I'll have instructions. It'll be a video that is linked only in the description of the live stream, and you'll be able to enter that. Once you've entered the live stream, you'll be able to go to that video and enter. This will be an unlisted video, so it won't be anywhere on my channel. It will only be accessible through the description of the live stream. This should be a super good time. I am just incredibly excited and so thankful for the community that allowed me to grow my channel past 800,000 subscribers. We're actually on the road to 1 million subscribers. I'm overjoyed to have this opportunity. It's wonderful. And I'm also, really glad that you guys have put me in a position to be able to acquire knives to give back to you to say thank you. Now, these companies who have donated these, and these were all donations, right? These companies are absolutely amazing, and I want to say thank you to them before we get into this. I know I've been yakking a lot, but the intro here is really, really important to make sure that people understand how this is going to work. But we have 9 awesome prizes here, 9 absolutely fantastic prizes, and these will all be up for grabs. Everybody can enter for all of them. So many more prizes, but there'll be a lot more people there. First up, I think everybody knows about this one. It's funny. It says, to the person who wins this, congrats. Always be kind and loving. And this is from Wicked Dream Designs. Or, well, the knife itself was made by somebody else, but he customized it. And I thought this was so cool. So we have the Civivi and Snex. I'm trying to keep my fingerprints off of it. This is the Buster FG, but this has been hand mirror polished by Wicked Dream Designs. I'm just super excited for somebody to win this. I wanted to keep this so bad, but he said this is intended as a prize for the winner. So while the base version of this knife is, I don't know, somewhere around $100, he has added at least another $250 in just the labor behind mirror polishing it. And let me tell you, this is one of the nicest mirror polishes that I've ever seen. It is truly a true to definition mirror polish. You can see yourself in it. You can pluck your nose hairs in this reflection if you want to. So this is very cool and very, very unique. I think that's generally the theme with these prizes when I do these live stream, these major milestone giveaways is it's going to be unique. It's going to be something that's hard to get, expensive, right? Stuff that people, probably wouldn't necessarily have the opportunity to get under normal circumstances, but now it can be potentially won for free. Next up, we actually have a special edition Demco that was customized by Paul Munko. And these were also limited. I think these are all gone now. It will come with the pocket clip, but the pocket clip is off to display the art. So this is that unique one that they did. I think this was a Northern Knives collaboration. I could be wrong. He sent me 2 of these, one for me and one to give away. So this one here, this is number 149. And I believe, he'll have to confirm, I believe that these are 3V. They actually could be the 20CV variations. But we have this super cool underwater theme with all this laser art, or laser anno art here. And then we have, I think, some Cerakote on the hardware. Very cool. Just an awesome knife to look at and super unique. And if you want to carry it, you can, because it's a Demco 80-20.5 and it'll serve you really well. Or if you just want to keep it as a collection piece, then you'll also have that opportunity. But I'll make sure that you get all the packaging. Next up, we have, I think these are technically still available, but they are so unbelievably expensive due to a number of elements. And getting them here in the United States was made extra impossible due to a lot of, not impossible, but we did get a few. But these were intended to be in much larger quantities in the United States. And because of, world climate stuff, it just didn't happen the way that they saw it. But they ended up sending me 3 of these. I'm going to keep one, but the other 2 I'm going to give away. These are just fun. They're absolutely insane. But this is the PMP Ultimate Alpha Beast. This is the thickest production folding knife. Thickest production folding knife to ever exist. This is an absolutely monstrous folding knife. Unbelievably heavy, massive, thick slabs of titanium. And then we have I think these are D2 blades. They ended up being so ridiculously expensive. They are incredibly expensive, which it was the end result of making something like this. But there are lots of people out there who I think would love to own this, mainly for novelty reasons, but couldn't pull the trigger because of the price tag. And then also I think availability in general was an issue. So I am more than happy to give this away for free, because they sent me extras, I think, intentionally as giveaway items. So I want to thank PMP for that one, and also Tools for Gents, which if there are any left for purchase, I think that's actually where you would get them. And then of course we have another one here, and this guy is in the full stonewash. So this is kind of the darker stonewash. The first one there, this is the lighter stonewash. So we actually have a lighter finish on the frame, and then we have a lighter finish on the blade here as well. It's the same thing. It's D2, and yes, these are actually sharp. Yes, they are actually functional. So if you really wanted to carry it, you can do that. I would wear a belt with it, but you absolutely can do that. So exactly the same thing here, just in the stonewash. Now this next one here was also a donation from Tools for Gents. And then also Midgard's Messer. This is a fun one, and to my knowledge, this is pretty rare and pretty hard to get. In fact, unless I'm mistaking it with something else, there was a time where I couldn't even find a picture of it on Google. This is a big knife. Definitely more of a novelty than anything else, but I guess if you really wanted to carry it, you could. It's just this has become such a popular thing. There are channels, including mine, that show this knife that have millions and millions of views on just covering this. So this is actually a special edition version of the Odin's toothpick. This knife has become world famous, but instead of the typical orange like the one that I threw into that pallet, this was not thrown into the pallet. This has been very well taken care of. In fact, is in perfect position. It's a special edition of the Odin's toothpick in the red aluminum here, and it's also serial number 2. As a collector, it kills me to give this away, but I know that there are so many viewers of my channel who have seen this and just thought, oh my gosh, that's so ridiculous and crazy, and would love to own it, just to own it, right? I get it. It will also come with the pin, which is in this Ziploc bag so that it doesn't mark the knife up. That's the one where you stick in here and it makes it extra super ultra Super Saiyan 9000 mode, whatever, right? But super cool, super fun. It'll put a smile on your face just for the love of God. To the person who wins this, be careful. This is a finger guillotine for sure. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and put that one... we'll put that one right here. Still keep it on display, but we'll put that one right there. Now, we have some Herman knives, and these are going to be in terms of value, these are going to be the grand prizes. These were all donated by Herman Knives and Polish Custom Knives. Sincerely, thank you so much. This is incredible. I am a huge fan of Herman Knives, and I am a Herman knife collector. So I would love to have all of these for myself. But these are intended to, be given away. So the first one here, and you guys have seen me unbox these on the channel. This first one here is the Sting model, the Valley of Kings Sting model. And we have, excuse my fingerprints. Golly, look at me. I'm not even able to properly present these. Well, we'll get them off here in a second. But this guy, I believe, is in Magna Cut. Yes. And I'm also going to show you here the card. There we go. So we have Magna Cut, and I think these new Magna Cut models are, yeah, they're right there, 63 to 64. So this is awesome as a collector's piece, and yes, of course, it does come with the lube and the tool. It's an awesome collector's piece, but also if, you choose to actually use it, the Sting is probably the best in terms of the EDC size model. That they offer. They offer a bunch of different stuff. The Sting is generally considered, the best EDC size knife. Very, very valuable knife and made in Poland. You'll get the box and everything there. I'm going to try to display these, but it's going to be a little tricky because the lids have to stay open. Next up, another beautiful Herman knife. We'll just go ahead and pull this one out here. This is the one you guys probably saw very recently that has the glow carbon fiber scales, and you can check out that video that I did. But same thing with this guy. We have Magna Cut at 63 to 64, titanium lock bar. We have kind of the denim blue scales there, and like I said, the glow carbon fiber, which is also laid into the polished backspacer. I love that. Polished pocket clip right here. Really, really cool. I think an excellent, even more so of an excellent EDC model. The glow carbon fiber kind of adds to it. But just a really good combination of colors and materials and blade material, right? And Herman's geometry, by the way, that thin flat grind is just absolutely wonderful for EDC. So I thought for sure that's going to be one that is going to be, a preferential item. There we go. That's how we'll do that. A very preferential item for a lot of my viewers. Next up, because I don't like to leave out left-handed people. We've got a couple ambidextrous options down here. These are right-handed frame locks. These are right-handed Hermans, right? I mean, even though probably nobody's ever going to want to carry this guy, this pocket clip here is pretty much going to be a right-handed only thing for anybody who can actually fit that in their pocket, right? So what about lefty-specific people? The last time that I did a big milestone giveaway, I had one prize that was specifically intended for left-handed people, and I'll have specific instructions for people who are left-handed. Obviously, everybody can enter, but what I'm going to try to do is tell people who are left-handed to enter and identify themselves as left-handed people, right? And it'll kind of be on the honor system, but we're going to have them enter as left-handed people. And all these left-handed people can win anything, right? But specifically for the left-handed model that I'm going to be giving away here, I'm going to look for an entry comment that identifies themselves as left-handed. And here's why. It's because this is a specific left-handed Herman knife, which I think is just really cool. Furthermore, this is a ridiculously special Balinets Mayura knife. This is a hyper durable coating that looks like the gas station coating, but in reality is in the same general territory as DLC when it comes to scratch resistance. And this has been extended to the entirety of the knife. I think actually this bolster here, this inlay, is just plain anodized titanium, but the rest of this is all Ballon at Myra. Looks a little bit different on this side. Two different sides of the knife, and then we also have M398 steel. This is a left-handed Ishtar with the appropriate COA and all of that. So a very unique knife, and while not all left-handed people are probably looking for a rainbow Polish-made Ishtar, I thought, what a cool piece, right? I mean, something that everybody, not just left-handed people, but like the vast majority of people out there are just not going to see something like that. So I thought that that would be a really fun one. And again, because of Herman's and Polish Custom Knives, because of their generosity, we were able to do that. And because of you guys putting me in a position where companies want to send me stuff like this, we're able to do that. The final Herman, this is, I would largely consider this to be the grand prize of the stream, but it really depends on your perspective, right? But this is, I believe, the most valuable item. It's probably going to be the most sought after by everyone, whether you're right or left-handed, right? This is personally my favorite model, and it is one of the coolest configurations that Herman Knives does. This is a very tedious process, this laser puzzle and laser anodizing. This is a slim that has that high reflectivity stonewash finish that we've seen here on some of these other ones, but this is a puzzle slim. I want one of these for my collection, and I wanted to keep this so bad, but I knew like this is something that I really honestly should give away. So this one here is in M390 with the appropriate heat treatment. We have all the puzzle engraving all the way around, the blue backspacer, blue pocket clip. Just a stunning piece. Definitely a crowd favorite. There's been a few channels who have shown these puzzle slims. Yeah, this is something that people generally like to pick up when they are available on the Polish Custom Knives website in, whatever model. But I think the slim in particular is the really popular one. So I'm going to be giving one away. I'm jealous of the winner. I want this for myself, but I know that it's going to make somebody just like super happy. So we'll kind of leave that lid there. So we have 9 here, but I'm going to let you guys know right now, there is a 10th prize. And I have decided to give away a 10th prize, and it is a secret, and there will be no hints. Some people will be able to guess or be able to at least give a guess, but I'm not going to confirm anything or give any additional hints until that time comes. That knife will be the last knife that I give away on the stream, and the rest of these will be given away during the stream in like 15-minute intervals, right? So with it being, it'll probably be 10 to 15-minute intervals. This is likely going to end up being a much longer than normal stream. I have to spread these prizes out in order to do this. We also have to confirm the winners, and it can be very chaotic. So giving away a knife every 10 minutes is a little bit chaotic. Giving myself 15 minutes between every single giveaway is a little bit easier to do. But when we're doing 10 prizes, if you're doing the math here, that ends up being 2.5 hours. It could potentially go longer than that. I'm going to try to limit it to 2.5 hours. But on the bright side, that's also super fun. Something is happening every 15 minutes, and somebody's winning an absolutely amazing prize. No matter what you're winning, it's going to be an absolutely amazing prize. So this has been put off for a long time for a number of different reasons, mainly trying to gather all of the prizes, but all of the prizes have been selected. They're all here. We're ready to do this. Thank you so much for getting me up over 800,000 subscribers. You're putting... we're in sight of the end zone here, the end goal, which is 1 million subscribers. Obviously, I'm still gonna be here if we ever hit 1 million subs. But never thought that was going to be possible. Never thought that anything beyond 1,000 subscribers was going to be possible. But here we are. So thank you to literally everybody who has interacted with this channel in any way, shape, or form. Maybe you found me from TikTok, you found me from YouTube Shorts, from Instagram, right? Somebody told you about my channel, wherever, word of mouth. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my content. Thank you for being an awesome community. Dream come true. This is a dream job, being able to collect knives and share my thoughts as a full-time job. It's an absolute dream. This is the least that I can do. So thank you to all of the companies and retailers who have donated these things so that we could make this live stream possible. I will see you all again this Friday, January 16th at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time for an awesome event. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram, etc., etc., etc. Hope you guys all have an excellent rest of your day, an excellent rest of your week, and hopefully your weekend is awesome too. Bye.